Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up Microsoft Authenticator on PC. So this app is mostly designed for mobile devices, but you can manage its features and integrate it with your PC for enhanced security and convenience. So let us begin. Firstly, install the app from your corresponding store. After that, you need to enable your two-factor authentication in your Microsoft account. So for that, you just need to go to the Microsoft security page, log in with your Microsoft account, and under additional security options, select two-step verification and follow the prompts to enable it. And after that, link your PC to Microsoft Authenticator. After enabling 2FA, you'll be prompted to use a authentication method. Choose Authenticator. A QR code will appear on your screen. After that, add your Microsoft account to Authenticator by opening the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. Click on the plus to add account, choose the type of account you want to add, and then scan your QR code. And to use Microsoft Authenticator with your PC, you can do this. So for apps and services on your PC, whenever Microsoft asks for authentication, you can approve notifications via Authenticator app and enter one-time password displayed in the app. So this is how it's done, guys. Enjoy. If you liked this video and if it was helpful, press like, subscribe. See you next time, guys.